Inside the Eames House, a modernist icon reborn. Discover the remarkable resurrection of the Eames House, a timeless modernist gem. Amidst the rolling hills of Pacific Palisades in Los Angeles, a beacon of architectural brilliance stands proudly, the Eames House. Designed by the legendary duo Charles and Ray Eames in the late 1940s, this iconic residence showcases a harmonious blend of nature and design. The couple meticulously oriented large glass panels towards the west and east to maximize natural light, while the house itself is nestled into the hillside, benefiting from the insulating effects of the terrain. However, the true testament to their foresight lies in the preservation of the eucalyptus trees that provide shade and add to the property's charm. But here's where it gets controversial. While the Eames family has always been steadfast in upholding the design ethos of their ancestors, they had to make a tough decision in 2024. To protect the house from the devastating Pacific Palisades wildfires, hundreds of trees surrounding the 3-acre property were removed. This action, though necessary, sparked a debate among environmentalists and architectural purists alike. Eames Demetrios, the head of the Charles and Ray Eames Foundation, along with other grandchildren, watched helplessly as the flames approached, fearing the worst. Fortunately, the house survived, albeit with significant smoke damage that required extensive restoration and cleaning efforts, resulting in a 6-month closure. And this is the part most people miss. Upon reopening, the Eames House not only regained its former glory but also expanded its offerings to the public. Visitors can now explore the studio, a space where the Eameses once worked on various projects, including graphics, toy photography, and film production. This area, previously unseen by the public, is now open for the first time, providing a glimpse into the creative minds behind some of the most influential designs of the 20th century. A haven for design aficionados and contemporary creators. The studio is not just a static display, it serves as a vibrant hub for exhibitions that delve into the evolution of the Eames House and the impact of Charles and Ray's values on modern-day designers. Choosing the right themes and artists to showcase becomes a challenge due to the vast influence the couple has had across various disciplines, from furniture to graphic design. The initial exhibition may focus on community rebuilding efforts post-wildfires, highlighting the resilience and determination of those affected. According to Demetrios, despite the studio's modest size, its potential to amplify powerful messages is immense. A visionary blueprint for post-war America. The Eames House embodies the couple's vision of what a post-war America could look like. After relocating to California from the Midwest in the early 1940s, Charles and Ray championed the use of innovative materials, most notably mold plywood. This material proved crucial during World War II when they supplied the U.S. Navy with 150,000 splints, paving the way for their iconic chair designs. Their passion for prefabricated materials extended to architecture, leading them to collaborate with Arts and Architecture magazine on the Case Study House program. Aimed at providing adaptable building blocks for homeowners, the program sought to offer an alternative to the uniformity of mass-produced housing prevalent in the 1950s, particularly in Levittown. Throughout 2 decades, approximately 25 houses were constructed under this initiative, with the Eames House serving as Case Study House number 8, a testament to the couple's lifelong commitment to design excellence. A home designed for universality. Though the Eames House was crafted for Charles and Ray, they envisioned it as a reflection of their shared values and needs, which resonated with countless other couples seeking to rebuild their lives post-war. It was designed with the working couple in mind, featuring a studio that later became a playroom for their grandchildren. The house's layout, consisting of 2 interconnected buildings, a residence and a studio, seamlessly integrates with the surrounding meadow. The use of a steel frame clad in red, blue, and black panels creates a visual experience that prepares visitors for the indoor-outdoor living concept within. The courtyard and patio, designed as rooms without walls or ceilings, blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces, inviting inhabitants to embrace the beauty of their surroundings. There weren't any houses like this before, Demetrios remarked. This demonstrates their belief that aesthetics and function can coexist harmoniously. The Eames House stands as a testament to this philosophy, offering a glimpse into the future of design that Charles and Ray Eames envisioned for a post-war America. Eames House reopens in Los Angeles, a new era for iconic design and global foundation launch. Imagine a legendary home, a symbol of mid-century design, rising from the ashes of a devastating wildfire. This is the story of the Eames House, a phoenix reborn in Los Angeles, ready to inspire a new generation. After narrowly escaping destruction in last year's Palisades wildfire, the iconic case study house number 8 has reopened its doors following a meticulous 5-month restoration. But this isn't just about preserving the past, it's about launching a bold new future. Enter the Charles and Ray Eames Foundation, a global initiative led by the Eames grandchildren and a star-studded board of design luminaries. Their mission? To not only safeguard the Eames legacy but to expand it through exhibitions, education, and international collaborations. And this is where it gets exciting. For the first time ever, visitors can step into the Eames' adjacent studio, a sacred space where their groundbreaking philosophy took shape. Here, public programs, workshops, and discussions will breathe new life into their creative vision, ensuring their ideas continue to resonate across generations. But here's where it gets controversial. Can the Eames' mid-century ideals truly address today's pressing cultural, social, and ecological challenges? The Foundation thinks so. With initiatives like the Charles and Ray Eames Fellowship, led by curator Catherine Ince, and a 50th anniversary relaunch of their seminal film Powers of 10 *, they're betting on the timelessness of the Eames approach. Yet, as we celebrate their legacy, it's worth asking, are we romanticizing the past, or can their methods genuinely inspire innovation in our rapidly changing world? Let's dive deeper. The Foundation's scope is ambitious, blending preservation with progress. From publishing Charles Eames's 1970-71 Norton Lectures to developing high school education programs in partnership with AIA Los Angeles, they're bridging the gap between history and the future. Internationally, they're revisiting the Eames' India Report, exploring its impact on global design education. Meanwhile, restoration efforts at the Eames House continue under a long-term conservation management plan, developed with the Getty Conservation Institute. Chris Mottolini's 2025 photographs capture the home's enduring charm and vulnerability, a reminder of its fragility and importance. And this is the part most people miss. The Eames House isn't just a museum piece, it's a living, breathing hub for creative exchange. The upcoming Eames Conference in 2026 will bring together scholars, institutions, and the public to share ideas, while the Foundation coordinates a global network of Eames-related archives, from the Library of Congress to the Vitra Design Museum. Charles once said, "Eventually everything connects," notes Executive Director Adrienne Luce. But does it? As we marvel at the Eames' interconnected vision, we must also question how their legacy fits into our fragmented, fast-paced world. What do you think? Is their approach still relevant, or is it a relic of a bygone era? Share your thoughts in the comments, let's keep the conversation going.